Today I want to show you my banana tree that just dropped a huge flower. So I'm going to get some bananas, I hope. This banana tree is also about 2 years old. I bought it from a farmer's market. This is supposed to be Namwa Banana. This is widely known in Southeast Asia, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, Laos. They grow this kind of banana. It was kind of dropping down. I was afraid it was gonna break, so I put a support. I bought like a 1x1 discounted woods from Home Depot, $1 a piece. Hopefully that can hold the tree for a while. I don't know how much weight it's gonna be. Hopefully these two sticks will hold. Also, this is the next generation that will be coming, and I have a small one coming out right here, and there's another one here. There are two other babies that I took from that mother plant. One is right here. Let's see, right here. So I don't know when this one's gonna give me bananas, but it's growing fast. And then I have another one. Let me show you. This one doesn't grow that fast, but it's from the same mother. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time on the next video. Bye bye.